Good afternoon. My name is Alejandra Sanchez.
Could you tell me a bit about yourself?
I am currently studying and working in a company like season. I am passionate and dedicated to my work. In the course of my hope, I can try want to dedicate myself to the art of industrial energy. The most rewarding part of my hope is to me a set goal.
Why do you want to work for this company?
Uh, I I found the company and is admitted its work also because of its values and corporate and fair admiration that I can achieve a good work grown in this company.
What are your goals for the future?
My goals for the future are to grow personally and professionally to have my own home.
What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are that I am a disciplined, punctual, responsible, reliable person and with a great empathy for where cancers. You focus a lot on details. It's hard for me to respect people.
Can you tell me a bit more about the skills you covered?
From your previous leave of work to her department here, from me skin, you can trans responsibility, creativity, teamwork, leadership, flexibility, problem solving, discipline.